Ferrari's wildest hypercars and how much they're worth now. Spoiler, you can't even afford the insurance. 288 GTO, 1984, $90,000 new, now $4 million. That's $4 million more than you'll ever see in your life. F40, 1987, $400,000 back then, now $1 million. You'll see it every day on Instagram, never in person. F50, 1995, $500,000 to $3 million. That's about $3 million more than your bank balance. Enzo, 2002, $650,000 new, $2 million now. You can't even afford the Lego version. LaFerrari, 2013, $1.4 million to $2.4 million today. Still more than your entire family's net worth. FXXK, 2015, $2.5 million track only. The only track you've been on is your Spotify playlist. SF90 Straydale, 2019, $525,000. Still around the same price. Still far from your reach. F80 2025, expected $2 million. You'll see it in your dreams, not your driveway. Miss the chance to buy one? Yeah, you also miss the chance to be rich. Hit subscribe. It's the only thing here you can actually own.